Areas: philosophical analysis, psychological analysis, a physics analysis, a musical theoretical analysis, a linguistic analysis, a parapsychological, psychopathological, a pathophysiological, a neurological approach, and a geophysics approach. And it was basically so I find these areas intriguing in terms of when a person's external stimuli is augmented, technically applied to any of the former. Bipolar 1 is emotional fluctuation. You have extreme polar, extreme sort of philosophy.
You know, there's greens in there, as well as those beiges.
So you have the conscious mind, you have the subconscious, and you have the pre-conscious or universal unconsciousness. Now, this area below the conscious mind is where we get into areas like psychodynamics.